ElectraCast.
No one goes to Hank's for his spreadsheets. They go for a darn good pizza. Lately, though, the shop's been quiet, so Hank decides to bring back the $1 slice. He asks Copilot in Microsoft Excel to look at his sales and costs and help him see if he can afford it. Copilot shows Hank where the money's going and which little extras make the dollar slice work. Now Hank has a line out the door. Hank makes the pizza, Copilot handles the spreadsheets. Learn more at m365copilot.com/work.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for March 26, 2026.
NASA reports major activity across Earth science, space physics, and human exploration. In the southwestern United States, an early spring heat wave on March 20th, 2026 produced widespread record-breaking temperatures across Arizona, California, Texas, and northern Mexico. A NASA climate model showed large areas exceeding 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Yuma, Arizona reached 109 degrees Fahrenheit, and several locations reached up to 112 degrees Fahrenheit. The event was driven by a persistent high-pressure system that kept conditions hot, dry, and stable across the region. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope observed Comet 41P Tuttle-Giacobini-Crasac, undergoing the first recorded spin reversal in a comet. The comet's rotation slowed, stopped, and then reversed direction due to uneven jets of gas acting like natural thrust. Its rotation changed from about 20 hours to 60 hours, and then to about 14 hours in the opposite direction, providing new insight into how small comets evolve and can destabilize over time. NASA is also using satellite and climate data to improve forecasting of dengue fever risk in Puerto Rico and parts of the United States. Researchers are analyzing temperature, rainfall, and surface water conditions to better predict mosquito habitats, with the goal of providing earlier warning for potential outbreaks and improving public health response. In space science, NASA's Imaging X-ray Polarimetry Explorer studied the supernova remnant RCW-86, combining data with other X-ray observatories to map the structure and energy of the expanding debris. The observations reveal how shock waves from the explosion interact with surrounding material across different energy levels. Arctic sea ice reached its winter maximum extent at a near-record low, tying the previous year as the smallest extent since satellite records began in 1979. Scientists also confirmed ongoing thinning of older, long-lasting ice, reinforcing a long-term decline in Arctic sea ice coverage. NASA released a detailed sequence of the Artemis II launch countdown, outlining the steps from spacecraft activation and fueling through crew boarding, final system checks, and automated liftoff procedures for the first crewed Artemis mission around the Moon. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is in final testing before shipment to Florida for launch as early as fall 2026. It will conduct wide-field surveys of the universe and search for distant planets using advanced imaging systems. On the International Space Station, Expedition 74 crew members continued science experiments, biological sampling, maintenance, and cargo operations following a resupply arrival, while also conducting research on how the human body adapts to long-duration spaceflight. Those were the key activities for NASA on March 26, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily updates or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Delilah Sperrazza. Music by Amir Isaleh and Peter Rafelson.
Security program on spreadsheets, new regulations piling up, and audit dread? It's time for Vanta. Vanta automates security and compliance, brings evidence into one place, and cuts audit prep by 82%. Less manual work, clearer visibility, faster deals, zero chaos. Call it compliance or call it compliance. Get it? Join the 15,000 companies using Vanta to prove trust. Go to vanta.com/calm.
ElectraCast.